Hello, monkey. So we implemented everything that is needed. And now we have to look at all these things and make sure they're fine. And then we can go and clean up a bit. Okay, let's tackle it. Design problem, what if Orpling cluster has 10 Orplings? Yeah, I mean, this is solved in my head. We will not have many swarms in one cluster. Check flee if regarded as not a win. Okay, I need to flee a fight and see if we are getting energy or not. Right? Check flee if regarded as not win. I'm not sure what bun means. Battle end without getting kicked off the island. I mean, check energy from fleeing, yes, probably. So, for this, we will just go to the player actor, expose the energy, and then just check it. Alright. So as we go in here, here's the player. I hope player, yes. There's our dev part. Wait, this is not the player, this is the representation. No, it is the player. Ah, default. 0. So we can see that value is 0. And if we fight this one, it should be 1 if we win. Which I will now do. First here. Do this. Player 0 energy still. And we got 1 energy. Now let's fight one of these. No, this guy. We need to fight this guy. He has no energy anymore. What are the chances? There we go. We use flee. Hammer is dead. We have no energy though. That's good. Something happened with the camera when fleeing. That's one bug. But I didn't see a problem with the energy. So we were able to still walk, so I don't see the problem, but let's fix this first. What happens here? Trifly. Interesting, there are many things here. We might want to also check defeat 2. What did we want to implement here? Not sure what's different. Why is false here? They are defeated is false. His battle queue is false. If player 1 can go here, I guess. Not go here. How about this? Let's try all combinations. First fleeing. Oops. Good. Good. Seated. And walk. Good. Okay. So if we are not in battle queue, we now added a little thing, but if we are in battle queue, nothing on the code itself changes. Because if true, then it just goes here. We only made a little exception there. Alright, so these are fine now. This is checked. Test gold cluster in world map. Now I cannot test it immediately. Or I cannot test it in the gameplay, whatever. But I can cheat and give myself some clusters, I believe. Does that still work? Island key map. We don't use this anymore. Then the old world map and the exit menu. Exit menu is something we will get rid of too, so now deprecate it. Visited paths, visited islands. Not sure what the paths are, but I guess same name as the keys. Hello Kengo, I'm fine, how are you? Sorry, I don't have any comments in here. I'm not a professional streamer or anything. But maybe I should do that. That sounds like a good idea. People can just spam that and then see what this is all about. But I can tell you, I'm developing a monster collecting RPG. Very, very roughly summarized. Oh, don't worry. You can ask. I'm right now, I'm building a little module here. I redesigned how the key exit thing behaves, and now I'm in the cleanup phase of that. And then I will do other things at some other point. Right now I'm testing stuff on it. Basically I just go here and then just look. This is the world map. This is the part I need to test right now. And in the game, these are the monsters you fight. They are like little swarms. You can go there. Where then you have your little formation here with your own little monsters. And depending on what element you choose, they have different abilities. And then the idea is to train your monsters in a way that synergizes with every element. And yeah. Hello Ghost! Welcome, welcome. I will just skip through these real quick. And what I'm doing right now, new, is this little flower here. And in these caves, you can find another flower where you can interact with it, get some kind of key. And then you can go to this big flower that opens, and then if you interact with it, which I will show in a bit, you go to another map. And the idea on these islands is that it has a light side, but you can also jump to the other side, where there's a dark side, and then you can explore there too. Yeah. 5 days a week. And end of May I will be on my 2nd year developing this on Unreal. So now, since we are in here, I should not be able to collect these, which is correct. But I was able to click that. That's maybe not okay. But I also gave myself some keys. Cheated, so this is something in-game you cannot do anyway. But I can also not click them, so what was that? It was strange. Why was I able to go there? In what way? I develop on Unreal in my work environment too, not only on my free time. Yeah, maybe, but I loaded into this map. I was wondering why I was able to go to the other, so let's get rid of the cheat and look if we can actually do it again. If we can do it again, then there is something wrong with my code. Let's repeat what we just did. Let's fight one of these again. These particles indicate that they have energy. And depending on how many energies you collect, every swarm has one, you can open the portal in a certain way. If you just collect 33% of the energy, you just open it for one time. 66, then the gate is open forever. And with 100% you are able to skip it in the world map. Or just jump to it, whatever. Let's fight here again. Keep my defenses up. And we got the energy, no particles. How do you get your monsters? You can tame them or find them or catch them like in Pokemon. You will find them in these caves. You can pick them up, but they are not powered. You collect a certain energy that you can use in your shrine area to get them back to how they are, and then depending on how you do it, they can choose to stay with you or they flee. And if they flee, you get some certain other stuff, rare items, whatever. If they stay with you, you can put them in your whatever. But yeah, idea is they are in these things unpowered. Lore-wise, they lost their energy or something, and then you just collect them. Idea is the overworld is where the fight happens, or more like you want to go and investigate, but these Orplings are hindering you from there. And then you go into a cave, don't know what this is, and then hopefully you get some kind of loot and you are happy. And you don't know what kind of loot awaits in these caves, so that's the idea. So I cannot click here, so it was the problem with the key, or was it this? No. So yeah, our cheat was just breaking the world map. That's fine. Let's put the cheat back on. What did we say? 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. Skippable. One, 3, 2, 1, 4. Skippable. And then collected, exit, visited paths. Let's put all of them in here. One. What was it? Start area. How was that key again? I got start area 2 1. I don't need that. That one I don't need. Start area. Okay, 1, 2, 2. 2, 3. Then 3, 4. Right? Yes. And then visited islands. Okay, so with this I should be able to test what I want to do, which is the golden path clusters. So thank you. See you around. Have a great day. let's see. I should not be able to go to these ones. Perfect. But if I reach these and go to the exit, I should be able to do that, but I cannot test. Cannot test because I don't have the island. God damn it, I need to build the second island. Do that. Can I do that? Do I have the brain capacity to do it? One thing is for sure, I need to exchange this exit. Let's do it. Where's my editor? Here. Okay, there it is. Wait. Okay. No, it is on it. Exit. This guy. Power portal, remove this direction. No, to this direction. Ta-da! Well, the problem is I also need the other thing. Okay, we need to exchange this. Don't remember. In a week or two. Inventory tool. What was that again? Oh damn. Okay. Well, have to start somewhere, right? On. Wait, is this on the side or side? Top side. It's top side. And decide what kind of element this is. It was fire on the other. Let's say this is now 0. I need to fill these, or are they getting filled themselves? 8. E. Action. Okay. Right here. Okay. Look how it is in the other map. One. As a trigger, ID, interaction payload. Once I add, and then should probably come from zone. This is now 1, 2 to 1, 3. In here. Means we can get rid of this guy. Yeah. Trigger. How big is the trigger? Trigger's rather big here. 1.5. Not sure if the position is correct. There we go. Handle that. Go. Hello, baby. Point light is fine. Interest for what? Entrance can go. Trial Orpling. Maybe the Trial Orpling needs a representation. Not sure if it has one. That's something we could add to our now. Let's check what exit holds. If one. Monkey is good. Right now, since we have every single functionality done, I'm just looking for the any bugs and so on, so I'm checking the functionality instead of building the functionality. And right now I need to add the second island so we can test. Yes, we need that. Get exit info, of course, nothing there. Waypoint ID. Let's say walk. Cave 1 walk or something. Cave level name. Sandbox Cave 2. Cave enter spawn. Cave 1, and where's the exit? Deleted the exit, I don't know. Enter 1, something. 8. This rotation should be fine, maybe. Fine. Pick up. I mean, should be fine. Let's add this to boot. Save it. And then check if it works. Me? Here we got the energy. How are you, baby? Okay, so here we have the cluster, which means since there are gold paths here, I can go anywhere. I didn't even need the second island, it seems, but I should not be able to go back because there's a black path. Silver path would be the same thing, but the thing I wanted to test actually works. Let's see if the island itself works too. Fight this guy. Come here, you little... Ah, come on. What do we do against this? Do we need any action? Maybe. Then no, let's beat him up. He will constantly heal himself until he runs out of MP. Our fire side is pretty bad against him right now, so change to 1. Attack. Why is my mushroom not powering up? Did I change its attack? Kill him. Boom. Barrier. Something strange there. Go to air. Confuse him. We can. Evolution. He dodged it. Leaps. Maybe this good, I'm not sure. No, almost no damage. I really need to play around with the balancing. Ah, oh, that's a problem. We might not be able to beat this guy if my mushroom doesn't have the attack, but went through. Oh, they don't power up anymore. Oh, got him. Need to wait until my MP is back. Slow process right now. Interestingly, since my Orplings don't have MP anymore, they go to physical attacks, which go through their shield and does a lot of damage on it. Compared to the magic that we used, that is. Well, his MP is off. Okay, magic shield is down, but also our key has MP again. Ooh, couldn't kill him. Okay, there we go. We got the energy. Ah, representation is there. Flower opens. Ah, interesting. I didn't see that we... Uh-oh. I mean, I don't want to fix this right now, but... Ah, wait! The level name is wrong. We need to go to this one. Okay. How many Orplings are outside here? One, two, three. Why didn't we get the key? Ah, because we have the key already. Okay, then all we need to test is actually if we can enter the cave. Go. So the thing is actually working. That's a good thing. OLL. Now I will connect the cluster. So we have a big golden cluster. So now we are able to actually go to every single world here. That works now. It worked before, but... And now here we can see if we can enter and leave the cave quick. Yep. Where is this arrow from? Access non trying to read property. Array get item. Something with set visibility. When does this happen? This thing is null. Reactable. Oh, did I forget to add the root? Okay, let's first figure out if we get the same error again. And if yes, I will just add it to the root. Does my cheat for the keys work? I don't remember. Probably not, right? Ah, it does work. So here there was an error here, and I think it's because the guy is not set. Oh, it should work. Can have an arrow here. Perfect. Okay, so that one is fixed too. Keyboard as golden clusters is done. Check if initialize battle group in the battle queue needs to clean up battle group instances. Yes, it should have a checkbox. Okay, the idea is when we fight, that the battle instances that get spawned, that they get cleaned up if it's a scripted fight. If I go here, so this is the battle group instance of my character. Porter, player, and there's nothing else. So if I start this fight, we should be able to see multiple other ones here. Let's go to the arena. Progression test. This is a battle queue now. There is a battle group instance. That's not good. Again. Also not correct. This. An error here. Again. I'm not sure what happens. Anyway, let's kill this. Is the first battle instance still there? Yep, and that's not good. They need to... Wait, now there are even more. Who's this one? That is us. What? Why do we have multiple of ours? No, that's just named you because this guy is called you, whatever. Wait, are these getting spawned all at once? No. Before we didn't have that. Okay, that's very strange. They're still here though. And they are getting cleaned up, so I probably don't have to do anything. They are getting spawned and cleaned up in the beginning of the battle queue and then in the end of the battle queue. Fine. Fine for now. As long as we don't have any... First, what error? Bird status. Oh, the healing cannot look at that. Here, this guy. Oh. Oh, that's bad. That's actually bad. Why is it connected there? Now that cannot work. Okay, let's test this again. So we can see if it gives us the same thing. So we can reliably trigger this error. And then see if we fixed it. If we disconnect it from there. How did we do it again? Maybe you paid attention, I'm sure. You know what I did to recreate this bug. But I don't know. I don't remember. I create... Yeah, I created a shield first. Then I got attacked. Perfect, and then we went to water. And now I assume we will get the error. There. But the error should happen here as well. Why doesn't it happen in the second one here? Why doesn't it happen here? Is there a reason? Does happen 2 times. Well, let's find out if this fixes it. Very strange. So, shield first. Water then. Yep, it's fixed. I would like to know. This guy doesn't get cleaned up. Our crystal attack doesn't clean this up. Remind me to disable my cheat. After this fight. I think the problem with the waiting registration is when one of the Orplings doesn't get a turn. So I would assume when we kill this guy here, this next one, we will have orphaned waiting registration again. Ouch, sorry. Yes, there it is. Never mind, it's gone. Why? What happens in the battle queue that is different here? Thank you. Mickey! Let's do what you just said before I forget it again. Okay. We reset the cheats. The waiting list seems to never be empty. We have to find the solution to this. Well, we know that we don't have to do this. For now, at least. Seems to get cleaned up correctly. I don't think we have to handle dialogue right now. Or at least don't check, because we don't have content for that right now. Do we go and try to fix this issue here already? Not a big issue, but it's not clean. It's kind of a memory leak, if you will. It's not, but still. We are spawning objects that don't get cleaned up. So every fight, there's a chance we spawn more of these and they just pile up, and if you play this for 2 hours, then I don't know, you'll end up with thousands of these objects, and that's not okay. You have to make sure it is cleaned up. One thing we could do is that after a fight, we make sure that every single waiting registry in the whole map is just getting cleaned up. No questions asked. But the problem is, this is a general function, so I could be using this in the future somewhere else, and a general cleanup might break something. So that's not an option. The only thing we could do for a general fix to have a safeguard, have these ones in an array and make sure that array is cleaned every single round and it's done. But that's a very hammer kind of solution. It would be better if we actually find out why it's not terminating. In order for this guy to terminate is when this registry gets fired. I need something to drink. Unreal doesn't seem to find it. It's odd. Restart Unreal. Didn't find it via member. Yeah, name it finds it immediately. This one. This one. I see. I would guess that when we do the animation for or the ability, when we do the ability, we do damage to the enemy, and if we kill it, the enemy sends a signal with, hey, I'm defeated. But the ability itself, as far as I know, does not terminate immediately. It needs to run an animation, whatever, to the end. Because the damage happens in the middle, this thing doesn't go further. I guess and this is all local though. All local. Don't save these things. Yeah, I should save them. Maybe these local ones should be global. Or not global, more like variables that are not local. Because then in the end, I could check that thing is in there. If yes, I just destroy it. Guy doesn't have any things. So this can only happen if we finish a fight. Does that mean that it happens in the normal thing too? Does this only happen while we are using physical attacks because of the jumping? Let's see. Remind me to write a task to make sure the bubble doesn't go away too fast. Oh, they're too strong. When? Now. Thank you, smartass. Okay, where was I? Okay, we need to make our Orplings godlike. I need our Tomati in the center. Be extremely tanky. I believe with this it will survive blows. And then I need to change their precision and attack power. Come on down. Test if my guy is now tanky or not. Yep, he's very tanky now. Which means I could just go and see those, so waiting things we don't see. And now I would assume when this guy dies, the helper still is here because that was a physical attack. And it is still here. So the problem is the game doesn't wait for us until we land again for the physical attack. Clean this guy up. Damn. So magic attacks should be still fine. This one we can also test. But physical attacks has the issue that it waits until we land back at our formation. Doesn't happen when we do fighting. Never mind. I was wrong. Hey Avi, what we are doing? Hunting bugs. There's a certain thing I do in the battles that is an object that I spawn here that waits something to happen to send a signal through. And it seems like these objects sometimes don't get deleted. And I'm trying to find out why. Here, these guys. It might be the end of the round that it just dies. Yes. I mean, I debug blueprints normally always with that, but I need a general place to find out. And it is the end. I think it is just not waiting for whatever happens in the end of the round. This? No, I did not use this before. What does this do? Do I need to put a breakpoint for this to go? Because then I'm not sure if it can work in my case right now. Yes? I mean, I already know what happens. I'm not sure how to read this though. But thank you. This is interesting. This should also disappear. And when I finish this fight, one of them stays here forever. Yes, but I already know. This now, it has no properties. It just needs to get a signal from outside to delete something, which it can't. The registry here, room. go away. Because we ended the fight before the ability could tell, hey, I'm done. That's the problem. So this one confirms what I just said. But this is nice. I always had trouble to visualize things, so this is a huge help. Thank you. So Shroomy Shroom could not end his ability because these two fired their thing and he was not done. So either I force clean up everything, which means every weight helper I add should be in an array and cleaned up after every round. And if the battle ends, we also clean up from there. Or the abilities themselves have some kind of hook to the battle end, but that's also dirty. Actually not good. I think I will just keep these in an array and then clean them up in the battle end. That should do it. In the round ends, don't have to do anything, just to empty the array, but the array should be empty after this anyway. Yes! The cleanup in my title means something else, but I mean, this is also cleanup. This is more bug fixing than the cleanup that I was intending to do. I have some old code that I don't use anymore, that I need to delete. That's my cleanup. So, let's see. In here, this guy could be now in an array. Just add this and this guy. Then in the battle end cleanup, cleaning up area and so on, we can already do it here. Here, or actually destroy. Wait, get. Destroy. Add this here. This should do it. Let's see if this fixes it. Wait, actually, we should do the one where we are sure this bug happens, which is here. We go immediately to physical attack. Registry is here. forgot there's the evolution. I don't use the tabs. Just gets larger and larger and larger. Every time it's just one more tab. Doesn't close on its own. Very, very annoying. I don't use the tabs. It didn't clean up. Because we're still in the fight, maybe? The battle controller doesn't get reinitialized. So we can't do it here. Ah, wait. We do this. Oh. Does this just not work with an array? Do I need to do it in a for each? Am I going crazy here? Oh, didn't I connect it? I thought I connected it. Or you mean that one? Never mind. I know which one you mean. Can go there, but no, that's not a missing connection. It's just a code that is dead. What the hell? That code just doesn't get triggered then. But yeah, you mean this one, right? This here? Yeah, we don't need this. This doesn't get triggered, but why? Trigger battle ends. Fate reached. We get here. That's very, very odd. Okay, that thing is not getting triggered on a battle queue. I see, then how do I find out? Battle system. Need the summoner. Was this guy or this guy giving us the game over here? Ending fade. We actually go here. I see. Fate and then go to trigger battle end. And Q and Q. Clean up. Ah. Need to do it here as well. So here and here. Can test it here. I forgot this battle is a special case. So now it... oh. It was empty? Well, it is gone. But something happened. Reactor. What? Why? Was it empty? I mean, this shouldn't be an error. Let me do it with the for each real quick. Very odd. Bye bye, baby. Thanks for tuning in. Let's see. If the error happens again, yes, then I will look at the breakpoints. Yep, it still happens. But why this time? I mean, it shouldn't be able to go there. If this is not valid, it cannot go there. Am I reading this wrong? Ah, wait. Because it's pending kill. If it's pending kill, why is this even possible? Do I need to make a garbage collection beforehand? This is stupid. Let's see if this fixes it. What the hell? Why is it marked as destroyed? Yeah, the element, wait. You mean the array? No, you mean the array element. And that is true. The element is pending kill, and we are trying to read it, but I'm just like, why is it not gone already? I guess garbage collection should be the fix then here. No? Am I stupid? I did the garbage collection beforehand. Why is it still pending kill? Let's make a breakpoint here. This is very weird. Yeah. Really? Can't debug. Isn't that great? Yeah, that could be it. Can I check validity? That's stupid. Maybe I should do something else then instead. Let's see which elements are there. Print. So this thing should be 1 at max right now. Yes, that would be my next solution. But pending kill, why is that even a thing there when I can check validity? It's like very, very strange in my head. Why can it execute something but not be valid? It's, I don't know. Very, very strange. But yeah, it is marked as to get garbage collected. That's why it is like that. Okay, whatever. So let's see. I don't care. It is 2 instead of 1. So yeah, one of them is getting killed here. And the other one is cleaned up now. That is good. So with valid, this should be then okay if it works that way, that is. Let's see. And it's gone. Okay, and it's cleaned up here. So that box is now gone. Let's continue. Oh, that was a mistake. Go. Okay, what happened here now? Not broke. Destroy actor. Interesting. Pending kill. Ah, of course. One also needs it. Is that all? I mean, yeah. But what's with this? Yeah, this is all the pending kill thing, so... Okay, now it should be fine though. In the end of the battle, we go out of the special case and make the normal one, and that didn't have to fix yet. So. And here we go. Yeah, but the issue is now gone. But yeah, hey, thanks for keeping me concentrated on the thing. I think I will solve this faster than I would have done. Okay, so this one and here this guy. Okay, now let's try this on the normal one too. Still need to do something with this guy. I'm so scared to do the shader I want to do because I have no idea about shaders. Will take me a long time until I get it right. Anyway, let's do this real quick. This. Check. Looks good. Okay, the AI control is also fine. Now should spawn 3 more, I believe. Or more. Never mind, these are the openings. These are the swarms, and when one goes down, then another one is also there, so the AIs are also okay. Good. So, when fighting, we can see orphans is done. At start explosion, this is something else. Can go at some other point. Alright. The things we wanted to check are now completed. Now it's time for the cleanup. I have half an hour, or maybe I will continue the rest tomorrow, but let's see. Remove portal 3D asset. If I remove it now, some of the islands will break, so I should combine this with this one. Remove portal UI. That's something we can certainly do, maybe. Get rid of the point of interest code. That's also rather easy to do, but it will also break things on the other maps. At least they will disappear there. Deprecate chain command initialize. Now what was that? Deprecated chain command initialize. Oh, this one probably. Here, this one we don't use, deprecated. Well, it seems like I did this already. It is not bound to anything, so I can just remove it, I believe, without it complaining. Okay. So this one is actually already done. Remove exit menu. This is also something we can do without any issues. Just need to see where I need to remove the code. Other modules. UI. This is a very, very old code. I don't remember where I put it. The elements arena, battle UI contact, maybe by in some interaction or something. Interactions, exit menu, there it is. This guy only a reference to the menu, and the menu has a reference to the UI controller, I believe. But other things are it is referencing other things. So I need to clean it up from the UI controller, then I can just delete it. Cost assets. We do a lot of things. I don't have a getter for it. Funny. I mean, yeah, it's not a global thing. That's fine then. State, interaction, 3D elements. We don't use those. Exit. Have to remove it from the active menu key. I don't remember where it is. What is it called? UI enum. Okay, great. Here. Exit menu. Goodbye. What else? I mean, everywhere where we have that. Go. Oh. Alright, Avi. Thanks for your support. See you next time. Bye bye. exit. No, there is not much left. Exit menu into action. I believe I can just delete this. Yeah. Perfect. Now I can just go and delete the menu. Oh my god. That maybe that's just, I mean, there's nothing to restore, but I'm rather cautious. Fine. Oh, that works. Okay, we got rid of the exit menu. We can get rid of the gate. Did I get rid of the gate? Yeah, whatever. First delete. Moved portal 3D. Maybe I will do that really tomorrow when I do Create all caves. And when we are done with this cleanup, we are done with the key exit. Alright, let's go and finish the thing tomorrow. I'm done for today. Not sure who is still here. Probably no one. So everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, monkey.